Breaking news again. What is up? What is up, peoples? How are you? How are you? How are you? Back again. BLG's Man Cave, BLG Studios. Yes, yes. I got bit, all chewed up by fucking these biting fly things when we were fishing last week. You can, I don't know if you can see, all up and down my fucking arms. If you look, see all them welts on my arms all the way down or around the wrist? All these big fucking welts and shit. Whatever these biting fleas or biting gnats or biting flies, whatever they are, all up and down this fucking arm. See all those big welts? You can see a few of them. From the elbows down, they tore the fuck into me. Don't have any calamine lotion. The little bug bite stick thing doesn't work. I think the old lady's right. I think I'm allergic to whatever the fuck keeps hitting me like that. This has been over a week ago. Itching like I want to just tear the meat off to the fucking bone. Yeah, that itchy. That itchy. Yes, itch. Bad itch. And I've been fighting it with what we have. Not very well. Got on the YouTubes just a little bit ago. And the old lady's out running around. She broke her phone again. She cracked the screen again. She's going to get a new phone. Run around with Squeak. And she's going to get a new phone and whatnots. But, looking for, like, home remedies for bug bite itches and stuff. I actually ran across one, well, several, actually. But, just for what's on hand around here, they said lemon juice works. Apple juice works. Mint toothpaste. I don't have any of that. I have lemon juice, but I seen one that was reckoned the higher up on the countdown list things. Within the first three, more than not, was milk and water. Yeah, sounds fucking weird to me too. Trust me. Yeah. Well, I got milk, skim milk. I have 2%. It's close as I'm gonna get. So they said mix 50% milk with 50% cold water. Okay, BLG can do that. You see my videos. I can fucking cook. I can mix things. Yeah. Okay. So I put about, because I wanted extra. I don't know how long this shit's supposed to last. Does it work? I'll tell you in a minute. I gotta kill some time. I don't want too short of a video. Got the air conditioner on. 77 degrees. And it is 75.9. So, yeah, that's pretty accurate. So anyways, I mixed it all up. And I washed my arms off all that other crap that I had on there. Washed all that shit off. Ew, BLG, why do you have that shit all over your arms? Because I've been trying to stop from tearing all the meat off my fucking arm bones. Which actually looked kind of cool, but that would hurt too. Pain, no, I don't like pain much. High tolerance, but that doesn't mean I like it. No. No. But anyways, mixed it up in the bowl, washed all the shit off my arm. See? And got a paper towel. Dippy dippy dip. Slathered that shit all over the backs of my hands. I've got it all the way up to just about here on both arms. And just past the elbow. This arm too. Probably see a couple of them here. All the way up to about here. And all the way down. Forearms, backs of the hands, all the way around. Slathered that shit on. Instantly. It felt nice and cool. Like, oh, that's kind of nice. They also said put cold packs. I'm not going to sit around with cold packs all over my fucking arms. How do I do that? No. I understand it, the theory and the science, and the doctors even say that shit. But the milk and the water, I put it on there. Felt kind of cool, like, alright, I'm still a little itchy, when then it started drying, and I'm like, okay, I'm feeling, believe it or not, people, a little less itchy. And I put that on. That's been the experiment. Started. Jesus, it's one. What the fuck? It's 1:30. In the afternoon, as you can tell. I say it's been about an hour and 45 minutes, and I'm not itchy at all right now at the moment. A little bit, but not enough to really go, oh, I want to dig. Right here, a few spots. But where it really itched was around this wrist. They tore this tattoo the fuck up. And, no, it's actually working. And I've got made up extra. I used about like a eighth of a cup of water and an eighth of a cup of milk. Mixed it up and kept it in a container in the beer locker. And there. You're guilty, motherfucker, of keeping my beer cooled and refreshing. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, beer. I'm ready for another beer, BLG. Righty, I'll get to it. Thank you, man. I love you. You keep beers going for me and Lefty. I know, we gotta drink together, you know, and have some fun, entertainment. Yes, yes we do, BLG. It's fun watching YouTubes and doing stuff with you. Yeah, you too, man. You too, Righty. Now get out of the picture. I'm talking about this milk thing. Okay. So anyways, now, take it from old Hands On with BLG. BLG. Fat motherfucker under the hat. The milk and water thing, I'm giving it a thumbs up. It seems, at least for me, and I think I'm allergic to them fuckers. I know I didn't get bit that many fucking times. I'm just all hived up and broke out from it. Whatever the fuck those... They look like fucking gnats. They might be biting fruit flies or biting something. Little biting bastards. They weren't mosquitoes. But whatever the fuck they are, I'm allergic to them apparently somewhat. And this actually helped. I am not itchy at all right at the moment. Except for, like I said, like right here. Every once in a while you get a little urge to go, see where that one is? That kind of itches, but not enough to where I want to dig. And right here. This arm, right there, on that big knot right there, feels a little itchy. The rest, not too bad. So, if you can run into that stuff and you ain't got anything on hand, calamine or anything else like that isn't working, yeah, give the water and milk a try. It's helping me. I don't know if it'll help you per se. Everybody probably has a different result. Some people are probably allergic to milk. Don't slather milk on you. I don't know if that does anything to you or not, but don't do that if you're allergic. Or if you're allergic to water. Anybody out there allergic to water? Is that even possible? Oh God, I need another beer. Anyways, just a quick little update experiment thing from old Hands On with BLG. Since I've been on the experimental train lately. You know. I'll catch you guys later on the next episode. I don't know what the fuck we're going to get into. I don't know. But I think I might want to go back in either paint. I've got an idea for crafting, but it's a painting video. I want to try, maybe I might try to do an episode of that, or I might go after that fucking semi-pro fucking championship on AMF bowling pin busters. I lost my 3 points in the last tournament, and I want to fucking take revenge in the semi-pro. Yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. I'm keeping you up. Peace out. Peace out, people. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye in there. I'm looking around your house to see if there's anything that I want to come and get. I kind of like that chair right there behind you. How much? Peace out. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around